My name is Scott Nelson. I live with my family in Westlake Village, California. We're also very happy to be fortunate owners of Porsche automobiles. We purchased approximately 10 of these cars from Rusnak, and we're very, very appreciative of their great service. They are knowledgeable, they are prompt, they are timely. In our view, they're second to none throughout the state of California and elsewhere. Rusnak Porsche has done just an absolutely fabulous job. We thank you, we're grateful, and we look forward to driving these wonderful, wonderful Porsches for many years to come. Of particular note, Sam Abergel, the service manager, is just spectacular. The techs and others are as well. We thank you.